Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the playback speed on your TikTok. So if you guys want to know how you can adjust the video speed that you watch on TikTok, here's how you can do that. So first, I'm going to find the video, for example, in here. This video here, I want to make it slow so I can enjoy the video more. So what you need to do is just long press on the video. So just long press until this menus are show up. You can see there is a playback speed option, so click on this and you can see there are four options that you can choose. The normal one in here, which is the current speed, the 0.5 times, this is the slower. If you want to make it slow, just click on this, and this two is to make it fast. So I'm going to use this to make it slower. You can see now the playback speed is slower because I click on the 0.5 times. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.